Hello today, and today we're going to take a look at my rival Nerf blasters. I have two as the last video, the same thing, but it will be a good video, so I'll show you the names of the two blasters. Here is the XX100, also known as the Knockout. Here we have the XX800, also known as the Takedown. I'm going to fire for this Nerf blaster. Okay. So I will get to the futures in a sec. Here are the futures for this Nerf blaster. So how you target, have to pull this out and get that scenario. Then, this is the future, you can store balls, and then you put it in there. Then you have to push this back in, then you can shoot it. But then also you can, this is room for like some modifications. Like if you want a scope or a laser beam or just an attachment to make it cooler like this one, which I really don't recommend. This is really just for coolness because you can't even like put the ball in, but it also has that. But enough of that. That is the futures for this Nerf gun. I will be showing you the rate of fire for this Nerf gun. Okay. So that is pretty cool. So here are the futures for the takedown. So you can just get that open. Then there's a space for this. And then you can just put your ball in it. And when you're good, you pop that back up and you can shoot it. And this is also, you can lock it so you can't shoot it, even if you cock it and do everything. And I'll set that back to unlock. But the handle is very curved this way, unlike the Knockout where you can just hold it straight. This is very curved. So that's all the features for the takedown.